spark plugs. This is the NGK, and that's the model LFR 6AIX-11. Takes 4. They are pre-gapped as they come in, so this is on there. And this is what I took off. You can see the burn right there. It's about time to replace them. They all burn, and they do have a little bit of oiling on them too. So yeah, hard to zoom in, but definitely time to replace. So what you need is use 16mm socket to remove the spark plug, and then E8 is for the coils. The coils to remove these bolts right here. Unplug that, remove the spark plug, clean it, put the new spark plug in, put the coil back in, the bolts, and then plug this back. And just go down the line. For this harness, you have to squeeze and pull this off, and then it comes out just as such. But for the tools, you're gonna need a 1/4 inch everything. This is an E8 because you're not gonna be able to fit down there. Remove the coil. Coil looks good. It's dry. Washed it, cleaned it last time I was removing this. So now we have a spark plug. I'm gonna remove it. Just want to look at the spark plug. Definitely smells a little bit like fuel. A lot of burn off on it. It's dry. It's only been in there for 200 miles so far. It does smell a little bit like fuel. So I'll go back in. What I noticed on these harness itself, not the coil. Coil is Mercedes. Harness is BMW. So it must be wiring from BMW. I'm sure there's other parts, but usually this is a Mercedes plug for MF phase sensor back here. But for coils and spark plugs, the harness is BMW, which is surprising. Everything else is stamped Mercedes because this car is actually assembled in Germany. And I was surprised to see when I was taking this off. Like I said, everything else is Mercedes, but I guess they use their parts too. So the spark plug looks good. Just cleaned it a little bit, put it back in there, make sure everything's tight. And then I'm gonna move to the O2 sensor. Put the way it was before. Nice and tight. We'll put a cover later when everything's set and done.